I can think of a couple guys off the top of my head that were in a pretty bad gasoline tanker leak, and they laid down in gasoline for several hours, stopping leaks, and their gear was completely saturated with fuel.
According to Nick Gonzalez, it was never proved those Gainesville firefighters obtained future kidney issues from that tankard leak, but it was a contributing factor. Gonzalez, a Gainesville firefighter of 13 years and a union officer for 11 years, knows several firefighters who gained health problems, specifically cancer, while on the job. The House recently passed a bill to track the link between firefighters and higher cancer rates.
It is vital that we learn more about this correlation. That is why I, along with my colleague, Representative Bill Pascrell, introduced the Firefighter Cancer Registry Act.
According to the Act, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention will be responsible for the registry. Information will be collected voluntarily through public health surveys, questionnaires, and other methods. The registry will list for each firefighter basic demographics, numbers of years on the job, and the number and types of fires the firefighters were exposed to. Taylor Clouston, the staffer that aided Congressman Chris Collins in drafting this legislation, said in an email interview the data will be made publicly available and can be accessed by anyone for free. All firefighters' identities will be protected because their data will be de-identified. The registry does not address certain issues, though. The Act does not put official protections in place, such as better uniforms.
We got helmet, jacket, we got pants, and then we got fire boots.
Another problem, it has only passed step 1 of becoming a law.
With the act still making its way through the Senate, it has not become an official law yet. But that doesn't mean that the union and local firefighters here in Gainesville are letting this stop them with their legislative fight against cancer.
We lobby on a local level with our commission and with our manager, our risk management people. We push for stricter screenings where we can hopefully get earlier detection of these types of cancers.
The union is also pushing for legislation in Tallahassee for presumptive measures against cancer. After several failed attempts over the past 4 years, they hope by focusing on specific types, the cancer will be presumed work-related and treatment will be covered.
We're out helping save people's lives, and sometimes we need to stop and think of ourselves too, the guys and girls that work here.
Even though the Act is geared toward information collection and not presumptive measures, Gonzalez still sees it as a step in the right direction to help protect firefighters.